Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from July the 29th through August the 4th, okay? And what we're going to be doing this week is a 1935 classic movie starring James Cagney. It's GMen. And I've made my own stickers, and I have chosen this paper because it reminds me it's all about the mob and the FBI and how they start trying to capture members of the mafia and things like that. So this reminds me of the different, it's a black and white, but they're in a garage and it deals with jails and just different things. So it gives me a feel for that. And this just sort of reminded me of different license plates, like that maybe they were trying to hide. And then this reminded me of either like the bars in the jails or like the road, you know, where they go up and down the road trying to catch these criminals. Okay, so, and I'm just going to be using a Papermate marker that's black, okay? So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everybody loved the thrill of it all. I had so much fun with that spread. It is such a fun one to do. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread. And I got this paper out of a Walmart pad. They really have a lot of nice pads there at Walmart. And then I really did like this one because, like I said, it just reminds me of, I think I'll come at it from this way, of license plates that somebody has tried to hide. Okay, so let's put our paper down like we want it. And I'm going to mix it up so that I have the same interest on both sides. Like this has a lot of color, so I think I'll put that there. Okay, so let's start gluing our paper down. I think this is going to give us a nice feel for the movie. I really do like that. I think that's really going to be cute. Okay, now we'll add this. But it definitely reminds me of the bars from prison, like I said, or just the stripes on the road where the G-men are chasing the gangsters. And this is Dollar Tree washi. Okay, and then I'll come down through here like I do. Boy, it definitely feels like a bars of a prison to me when I see this. I really like that. Oh, I love that. That looks so nice. Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers with my Cricut. And this is just like the front of the DVD that says GMen. And I'm going to put it right here. All right, right here, James Cagney plays Brick Davis, that is an attorney, and he graduated about a year ago, and he's not making any money because he's trying to stay on the up and up. And this guy right here, he plays Mac, and he's a mob boss, and he put James Cagney through law school so he would stay straight. And James Cagney is telling his friend here, the mob boss, that he is going to join the FBI. And the mob boss thinks it's a great idea, and he says he's going to retire then. Okay? So, then you have him, Cagney is in the school, and this is his instructor right here, and his name is McCord. And he doesn't like Cagney at all. So he's having to teach him how to box, and he's making fun of Cagney, but Cagney's very good at self-defense, okay? And it has some light moments in it, but it's really funny, but it's very good. And then this is McCord's sister, and I can't remember her name, but Cagney starts falling for her, and she is a nurse. So I'm going to put that about right there. And so then Cagney starts trying to get them to put him on assignments, but his instructor, McCord, doesn't like him, like I said, so he won't let him. And Cagney is there listening when they're talking about the whole reason that Cagney joined the FBI was his good friend Eddie Buchanan was killed by the mob. So he joined the FBI, and he heard them say something about a man that wore a gardenia, and he told them exactly what fingerprints to look for, and it was a match. Because he knows all these mobsters. But he's very much on the up and up, okay? And then right here, this is McCord's sister, and like I said, Cagney has decided that he really does like her, and she got upset, afraid that her brother was going to die, so she laid her head on his shoulder, and he's all the time tricking her and then laughing to try to get her affection. And then this right here is the mob boss telling him that he met him on a train and is telling him that he has bought this camp in, I think it's Wisconsin or something, and he's going up there to retire. And there's a lot of plots and twists that take place that I'm leaving out. And then this is James Cagney, and he's checking out the $20 bills that were found at the scene of the crime. I'm not going to tell you how it ends, but it really is a good movie, okay? So let me just write a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I really do like how this turned out. I think it gives a good feel for the movie. Like I said, I left out a lot because I didn't want to spoil anything for you if you watch it. But you can definitely tell that it was filmed in 35. But it is really old, but it has a great plot behind it. But I love this paper, I love this washi, and I love my pictures, my stickers. I think it really gives a good flair for the whole FBI versus the mob. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.